सेमियों का मीठा।
Three cups of full-fat milk. 1 cup of roasts vermicelli Sevian. 1 TBSP of custard powder. 1 cup of sugar or as per taste. Half TSP of elaichi cardamom powder. Some roughly chopped almonds. Some roughly chopped cashews. Take 4 to 5 Britannia rusk, or plain, cake, or biscuits. 2 TBSPs of ghee. Boil and cook milk. Cook on low to medium heat. Milk is boiling well. Turn off flame. Keep it aside. EID-UL-FITR and AB. Add chopped cashews. Add chopped almonds. Fry them on low flame. Nuts are fried well. Remove them and keep aside. Crush Sevian and roast it. Fry it nice and brown. Separe it 1/3 of Sevian and keep aside. Keep flame on low and add boiled milk. Mix it. Add elaichi powder. Add sugar. Mix it nicely till sugar dissolves. Mix 2 TBSPs of milk and custard powder. Mix it well. Add custard. Give a quick mix. Creamy texture Sevian custard is done. Turn off flame. Take a serving bowl and assemble rusk, or cake, or biscuits of your choice. Pour prepared Sevian custard on top of it. Arrange roasted Sevian on sides. Garnish it with fried dry fruits. Refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy the tasty and chilled Sevian. Kamitha. Do try this EID special new style Sevian. Kamitha. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.